everyone, welcome to Stories of Home. I'm camera 007, and today I'm capturing a new chapter of someone's home story. Meet this little family, a newlywed couple and their dog, Cabo. Today, they're creating a home that feels truly theirs. This orange cloud sofa brings so much warmth and personality into their space. And honestly, Cabo might love it even more than they do. For pet parents, we all know having a furry friend means endless love, endless happy moments, and sometimes endless fur. But that's just part of the journey. The best part, this sofa is so easy to care for. Pet hair doesn't cling easily, and it's simple to clean, which means less time worrying about messes and more time enjoying moments together. Because a home isn't perfect without a little bit of chaos, it's the memories that make it special. Now let's get to know the little family behind this home story. This is Cabo. They met 3 years ago, and since then, Cabo has become so much more than a pet. He's their little best friend. The playful moments, the running around, the silly games, honestly, those are the moments that make a house feel like home. And of course, there are also those special moments that belong only to a newlywed couple. The flowers, the laughter, the happy tears, and all the little things they do for each other. That's what makes their story special. But let's talk about this sofa for a second, because after watching Cabo jump around and seeing them relax on it, I completely understand why they love it. That soft sink-in comfort feels amazing. And look at this fabric. It's smooth, easy to maintain, and pet-friendly. The chenille texture helps keep pet hair from sticking, making everyday cleaning so much easier.